Good morning, all delegates and respected seniors. I'm Dr. Dhananjay Bhosle, and thanks to AOS for giving me opportunity to present this. Sir, I'm Dr. Dhananjay Bhosle, working as a junior resident in the Department of Ophthalmology in the PGI-YCMH Pimpri. Sir, my topic is Community Eye Hospital, a novel green campus combating the carbon footprinting. Sir, I am having no financial interest and no conflicts of interest. Sir, in the background, the global warming is one of the largest threat in the 21st century, and our health facility is one of the main contributor in the carbon emission leading to this global warming. Under this study, I am going to assess the carbon footprint of our tertiary eye care institute and tackling the same that carbon footprinting with the green cover present in our hospital campus. Sir, it is a retrospective study conducted during the 1 year span to assess the carbon footprinting at our hospital undergoing cataract surgery at the Shankar Eye Hospital, Coimbatore, sir. Yeah, under this study, first of all, sir, I calculated the carbon emission, that is carbon equivalent during the surgical procedure. Most of them are SICS, and then the study measure. I am also studying the study measures to counteract the this carbon emission produced during the carbon emission by our hospital green cover, sir. In the first study, aim. I have estimated, sir, the carbon equivalent by the following way: list of materials used during the SICS procedure, which includes, sir, drapes, syringes, plastic derivatives, even our disposable surgical instruments, papers, ink, drugs, where the estimated they were weighted, and the estimated lifespan along with the weight of each tool and the surgical instrument was measured individually, and the CO2 equivalent produced was calculated using the CO2 equivalent calculator online available. And after getting all the CO2 equivalent per surgery, I estimated the carbon absorbed by our green cover around our hospital. The number of trees and the green cover present in our hospital was evaluated, and the CO2 consumed by them was compared in a whole, and its environmental implication was studied. During this study, I found that, sir, 1 ton of carbon storage in a tree would represent removal of, sir, 3.67 tons of CO2 from the atmosphere, and with release of 2.67 tons of oxygen into the atmosphere. Sir, biomass assessment illustrate the amount of carbon that may be sequestered by the tree as an important indicator in the estimating carbon sequestration. Sir, here approximately, according to papers present online, 50% of the dry biomass comprising of a carbon was used to calculate the consumed by our tree, as a tree convert carbon dioxide into the polysaccharides or sugar, and the most of weight of the sugar is contributed. In our green cover hospital, we are having, sir, 55 fully grown trees, which include people trees, rain trees, flame of the forest trees, ashoka trees, and jackfruit trees. 100 coconut trees are covering outer periphery, and nearly 200 ornamental plants, various ornamental plants are present there. We have implemented Miyawaki method of plantation, which is a different during the Miyawaki method. We plant trees more compactly. They will grow 30% more denser and go at the rate of 10% faster. In this result, I found that during each SICS procedure, till the discharge, the waste generated per patient was, sir, 310 grams, and this 310 gram resulted in the total release of 3.2 kilogram of CO2 equivalents in the atmosphere. This is a CO2 equivalent discharged by our hospital. During our green plant fixed this by consuming 33.22 tons of CO2. Thus, by having green cover around our hospital, we are absorbing more carbon equivalents than we have released during the SICS surgical in the community-based approach. Here we are operating 32,000 to 33,000 patients, but at the same time we are absorbing 133 tons of CO2, which is helping environment and improving the environment facility by absorbing the released carbon dioxide, sir. This is our hospital photo, sir. Thank you, sir.
Nice, Dr. Bhosle. You have finished on time. I just wanted to ask you whether you have compared the carbon for the SICS compared to the FACO, or only you have analyzed the SICS surgeries?
Sir, actually, this is a community-based hospital, sir, and we are operating 32,000 of patients. Most of them are, sir, SICS. Of course, sir, some FACO patients are there, but mostly I have considered, sir, SICS patients. As a FACO calculation is little bit complex, sir, as electricity is also going to get consumed during the FACO procedures. Disposable atoms use are more. And during the SICS procedure, sir, we can decrease the carbon output by reusing, means we can avoid the drape by using the towels. We can, sir, at our hospital, we are using one Raja blade. That blade is can be used for incision. Even it work as a crescent, even it work as a side port, sir. By single piece of nearly 1 gram of metal, we are eliminating that crescent, keratomes, and side ports, thus decreasing the disposable atom load, sir. Sir, in this study, most of I have used SICS, and the FACO study is underway, sir. Means due to the complexity, I am doing on it, sir.
The other thing I wanted to ask is that this is a very important topic because we have so many of our centers which are located in metros, where planting of trees and greenery is impossible. Now, how do these centers give back to the community, to the environment that you are doing through trees and all that? Is there any other method of doing this?
Sir, these centers can use the, sir, means decrease that disposable atom use. Means like I said, sir, we can eliminate crescents, keratome, and side port by using a single instrument. Means that plastic load, means single metal instrument. Plastic load will be decreased, sir. Instead of using eye drapes, we can use a 2-eye towel well autoclaved. Then, sir, means and even environmental friendly with the less press, they can use that Miyawaki press technique of plantation, which will give more carbon dioxide consumption taking and O2 output.
So basically, what you are preaching is that we go back to the consumables to the reorganizables.
Yes, sir.